Good morning. My name is Catherine Hudson, and I am one of the 1.8 million Americans who was living on long-term unemployment and who lost my benefits in December 28th, 2013. Today is day 52 since our government has failed to extend unemployment benefits to people like me for emergency purposes. Imagine going 52 days without a paycheck, without any income, and having a small child to feed. I'm a single mother of a 2.5-year-old, and I'm one of those people. I'm not looking for a handout. I'm looking for a hand up. I want to get a job. I want to get ahead. But my efforts have been stymied somewhat by finding quality, reliable, and affordable daycare for my daughter, as well as finding a job. I've gone on exactly one interview in the last year after sending out hundreds of resumes. Unless you think that I am one of those people who would not take anything that comes my way, you're wrong. I am one of those people that would take the first job I could take. But again, I do have child care issues to deal with, as do many of my fellow Americans who are in the same boat, basically, that I am. I just want to remind my friends and family and complete strangers that Americans like myself are losing their homes, their apartments, they're losing their cars that they can't make payments on anymore, and they're losing their ability to get back on their feet. Once you start cutting off every potential thing that we have to keep us moving forward, we fall much further behind. My plea is very simple. Call your congressperson today. Call your senators. Call your House of Representatives and make them aware of the plight of people like me. If this were going on in another country and, people were being cut off and told basically to fend for themselves, chances are very good that this country would go to war with that country. When you hear about children starving, children not being able to be clothed and fed and keep a roof over their head, mothers moving into shelters with their children, that should give you pause for thought, because that is what's happening. It's the reality for many people like myself. I'm grateful to a handful of friends who have given me small bits of money, gotten me nice little things that I couldn't afford luxury-wise, but I can't expect them to keep doing that. And even as I speak, I'm working on starting my own business. But in the meantime, I do need that little extra help. I need that little extra support that the money I was getting from my unemployment emergency benefits actually brought me. And just to remind people, I'm 44. I've been paying into the system since I was 14. That was when I took my first job. It's an insurance. It's not a giveaway. Everyone who works in this country pays and actually puts money into an account. Please stop looking at it as an entitlement or some kind of benefit that isn't deserved. People like myself have put in years of work and hours of sweat equity so that that money is there for us when we need it. I urge you again, call, write, email your local Congress people. Make sure that they know what's going on and that people like me, your neighbor, your friend, your sister, your daughter, that we are the ones who are suffering. And we just need a little bit of relief. Just what was promised to us a few months ago. Every time for the last 5 years that these benefits have expired, Congress has voted to reinstate them. Right now, this country is experiencing the highest number of long-term unemployment it has ever seen in 80 years. What does that tell you as a country? We need to move ahead, and we need to help each other. I'm an American, and I'm asking you, as a fellow American, to do what's right, to call your congresspeople and urge them to please reinstate and renew unemployment insurance. And if you tweet this, please use the hashtag RenewUI or hashtag 1.8 million or 1.1,800,000. Thank you so much, and I hope that this is resolved soon, because people like me have rent to pay. It's a short month, and we'll be looking for whatever relief we can get. Have a great day.